Welcome back to your intermediate guide for ranch roping. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of teamwork. Today's video is brought to you by 2 Timothy 1:7. For the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Never weaken. So, whether you're doctoring with one person or two people, you're going to want to incorporate teamwork. There's nothing worse than trying to set something up with a calf and everybody's bouncing all over the place, okay? So if you imagine that everyone has a job, no matter what shot you're setting up, it's gonna make everything way smoother. So for instance, if I'm wanting to tip over and this calf is coming out of a corner, it would make sense if you, in the camera, we're over there on that side and we pinch that calf out of the corner and it comes out in between us and gives me a good shot, okay? Vice versa, if you were on this side, it would be a houlihan from over there. If the calf's gonna come out running really hard, we can both break to the calf and you can haze and I can hit it, or vice versa, right? Depends on what's actually, what the calf is offering us to set up. But all I wanna talk about today is really the mindset behind these things, and that thinking in this way as far as trying to help each other out to actually set a shot up is so very important. The same thing applies to heeling. When you're heeling at a brandon and the calf, and all of you who've branded know this, if you rope the calf and a guy comes for a heel shot and that calf goes to rimming around or running off to the right, what's wrong with the guy sitting up here up the rope and blocking that calf back for you a little bit, right? To keep that calf set back on that rope so you can actually get an honest heel shot. These are the things we have to be thinking about when it comes to the intermediate roper, because you might not have thought this way before. And it's wildly important to help the people around you set up the shots. Don't just sit there and watch them. Rebuild your loop and ride your horse at the same time. Be communicating and asking what you can do to help. These things make life so much easier for someone trying to work with you as a team. So keep that in mind. Use the things you see on videos. In the next video, we're going to talk about flight or drive lines and flight zones, and that'll help you kind of get an idea of where you need to be as far as helping a guy set up a shot. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.